There are 14 plus best upcoming smartphones you need to know about, and we discuss that in this video. Few are less than 10,000 rupees, which is less than $119. And in Nigeria, they are less than 158,000 naira. Okay? And some others are less than 20,000 rupees, while some are less than 30,000 rupees. So let's get into these smartphones one after the other. The first on the list, which is coming this May 2024, is Moto E14. It is a product of Motorola. Other features of this phone are Unisoc T606 chipset, 6.5 inches HD plus 90 Hz screen. The 90 Hz makes it easy for you to scroll on the phone. Battery capacity 5000 mAh plus 20-watt charging. The main camera is 30 MB and the front camera is 5 megapixel. So, if that is within your budget, you can go and make a purchase. This phone is expected to be launched in India by mid-May. The second categories of smartphones to expect in May 2024 are those below 20,000 rupees. Okay, so they're produced by different manufacturers. And number one on the list is IQ Z9X. This is affordable product. It is less than $238 and less than 316,000 Nigerian naira. The features of this product are the chipset is Snapdragon 6 Generation 1, 6.72 inches, 120 Hz on IPS screen, 6000 mAh battery, that is the battery capacity, and 44 watts fast charging. Another feature is that the main camera is 50 megapixel. It is a dual camera phone. The manufacturer of this phone is Vivo and is going to be launched in India in first week of May. So expect it if you like the features. Another one is Samsung Galaxy M35 and F35. There are two Samsung phones, but they will be launched in the month of May 2024. The features of this phone are as follow. Chipset is made of Exynos 1380, 6.6 inches, AMOLED 120 Hz, 6000 mAh, and charging of 25 watts. 50 megapixel triple camera. So if you are looking for a phone that has triple camera, this one can serve you well. And remember, Samsung products are always strong. Another on the list, which is less than 20,000 rupees and less than $238, is Infinix G20 Pro. It is manufactured by Infinix. On the features of this phone are as follow. MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate, that is the chipset, the processor, 5000 mAh and 45 watts charging, 6.78 inches FHD plus 144 Hz AMOLED. It makes scrolling on the phone faster. 108 megapixel OIS camera setup. Dedicated gaming display chip. It is good for playing of games. Dual speakers with JBL sound. This phone is going to be launched on mid-May 2024 in India. So expect it if you like the features. Now let's get to the next category. And these are phones you are going to expect in a May 2024 that are less than 30,000 rupees. The first on the list is Vivo V30e. It is a product of Vivo. These are the other features of this smartphone. The chipset is Snapdragon 6th Generation 1, 6.78 inches curved AMOLED, FHD plus 120 Hz on screen, 50 MP plus 8 MP slash 50 MP selfie. So with this, the camera is of good quality and the capacity of the battery is 5500 mAh and it charges at 44 watts. This phone is going to be launched by 2nd May of 2024. Samsung Galaxy F55 is the next on the list of phones that are less than 30,000 rupees. This is a product of Samsung, so it's manufactured by Samsung. These are the features of the phone. It is the first Samsung device to come with vegan leather back. So it comes with leather back other than some other Samsung products we have in the market. It is 6.6 inches FHD plus AMOLED, 5000 mAh battery capacity, and charging speed of 25 watts, 50 megapixel OIS triple camera setup. So if you are looking for a Samsung phone that has triple cameras, this can serve you well. Expect this phone in the month of May of 2024. Another on the list is Motorola H50 version. It is a product of Motorola. Motorola is good on Android, so it runs Android operating system. The features of this smartphone are as follows. Snapdragon 7X Generation 2, battery capacity of 5000 mAh, 66 watt charging speed, 6.7 inches, POLED FHD plus 144 Hz, IP68, 50 megapixel in terms of camera, OIS plus 13 megapixel, UW, and 32 megapixel selfie. So the selfie capacity of 32 megapixel is sharp. So when you are taking selfie with this phone, it works fine. It's going to be released in mid-May 2024 in India. The next on the list is Google Pixel 8a. It is an Android smartphone developed and manufactured by Google. Google is strong in the area of tech, so they are digging deeper in the mobile world. The features of this phone are as follow. Chipset Tensor G3, 4500 mAh and charging capacity of 27 watts. 64 megapixel plus 30 megapixel camera. The main camera is 64 megapixel and the front camera is 30 megapixel. Okay, 6.1 inches. The next on the list is OnePlus Note 4. As usual, it is an Android device. The manufacturer is OnePlus. They're making wave in the field of phone manufacturing. But Infinix and some other popular brands are bigger than them, but they have good products. The features of OnePlus Note 4 are as follow. 6.67 inches, 1.5K, 120 Hz AMOLED display. In terms of processor, It is Snapdragon 7 Plus Generation 3, 50 megapixel LYT 600 plus 8 megapixel camera, the battery capacity of 5500 mAh and charging of 100 watts. This phone will be released by the end of May 2024. The next on the list is Realme GT series. Realme is doing well in the area of smartphones and are improving every day. It is a sub brand of Oppo, so the manufacturer is Realme. These are the features of this phone. Chipset Snapdragon 7 Plus Generation 3, 6.78 inches OLED, 1.5K, 120 Hz, and 6000 nits. In terms of camera, 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 32 megapixel selfie. That means it has triple cameras. Battery capacity 5500 mAh plus charging of 100 watts. LPDDR5X plus UFS 3.1. This phone will be released by the end of May 2024 in India. The next on the list is Poco F6. It is manufactured by Poco, which is a Chinese company. It runs Android mobile operating system. The features of the phone are as follow: Snapdragon 8X Generation 3, LPDDR5X plus UFS 4.0, 6.67 inches tall, OLED 1.5K 120 Hz, 2400 nits, 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel and 20 megapixel selfie. It is a three camera phone, triple camera. In terms of battery, it has battery capacity of 5000 mAh plus 30 watts charging speed. This phone will be released by mid-May this year 2024. Another smartphone to be released by May 2024 is Vivo X100 Ultra. This product is manufactured by Vivo. These are the other features of it. In terms of camera, it is 50MP LYT 900 1 inch sensor plus 20 megapixel periscope, 50MP ultra wide plus 50MP telephoto, 200 times X zoom, so it has good zooming capacity. And the chipset, the processor is Snapdragon 8 Generation 3. This phone will be launched in China by mid-May 2024. Another on the list is Vivo S4 3. It is manufactured by Vivo. These are the other features of this phone. Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 chipset, 8.03 inches, 120 Hz LTPO AMOLED, 4500 nits, 50 mpixel plus 50 mpixel plus 50 mpixel triple camera, battery capacity 5500 mAh plus 80 watts charging capacity. These are all. So you can make purchase based on your budget. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Here we discuss on technology, which covers computers, phones, and self-publishing. Okay, so hit the like button as well for this video to go viral and leave a comment. You can also watch this similar video. See you next time.